so dumb. I look good. Period.
Hey everyone, it's Priscilla Ono, global makeup artist for Fenty Beauty, and today you're in the makeup room. I'm about to show you how I got this beautiful look on Shawty Bae using all concealer as foundation. What?
Hi guys, it's me, Shawty Bae.
All right, I'm gonna start to apply this all over the skin. I'm gonna target areas that I feel are a little bit more red. And fun fact is that We're Even concealer has so many good skincare benefits that you can actually use it as foundation. It's super hydrating, it's long wear. It actually helps over time to perfect your skin. The more you use it, the better your skin's gonna look over time. Before I blend this in, we have some questions for you from the Fenty Beauty team. They wanna know things about you. Are you down?
Yes, I'm down.
All right, so let's get some questions from the box. Let's see what it says. It says, have you ever concealed a secret from someone? Let's not say.
Yes.
Do you regret it?
No.
Okay, go ahead, pick one. What is something you're looking forward to in 2024?
Well, I want to start my own makeup brand.
No
next
way.
year. Yeah.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
And I want to start my own clothing brand, like streetwear. I love clothes. I love crop tops. I like jeans. I like makeup too. I want to do both at the same time.
Honey, you can do it all.
Yep.
How does the concealer feel on your face?
Really smooth.
Smooth?
Yeah.
Do you even feel like I'm putting foundation on you right now?
No. It feels like my natural skin.
That's actually the whole point. Rihanna likes when the makeup doesn't even feel like you're wearing makeup.
Yeah.
That's her favorite.
I want to meet her one day.
To Rihanna?
Yeah.
You heard that? She wants to meet you one day.
How does she like her makeup?
Who, Rihanna?
Yeah.
Honestly, she loves a good glam. I feel like when I'm doing her makeup, because a lot of the time she actually does her own makeup, I feel like when I'm doing her makeup, she always wants like a full glam moment, but she doesn't like it to look like super cakey. So it's all about using like these thin little layers. Like this actually, like just using concealer all over the face. So now I'm taking a lighter shade of the concealer and I'm using it as actual concealer now under the eyes to help brighten and lift. And I'm just gonna blend this in just to kind of like help brighten up all these areas. Let's ask another one from the box. Who or what are you getting even with this year? There's someone out there that did you maybe dirty, or you're like, okay, I got you. Watch me do this. I'm about to go even harder, even better. Anybody?
Yeah. There's one girl.
Ooh.
Oh, sorry.
Let's not say.
Let's not say that. I can't. Let's not say. I gotta do things better when you're man.
Honey, we always are out here leveling up, doing better, so the haters can see us grow. What's your favorite Fenty product?
I like the bronzer.
Oh, yeah. I heard you like the drops too, the highlight drops. Yeah?
I do. It makes my skin like shiny. I like shiny and bright.
Shiny and bright, right?
I like the highlighter too because that makes my like face
skin glow.
Yeah, glow.
Oh my God,
I love my skin. I put it on some of my hair too because it's so.
That's an okay hack.
Yep.
The shine in the hair.
Yeah.
Like diamond
I put
bomb.
it on my chest. I put it all over my body.
I love that. That's actually how Rihanna does it too.
Really?
She puts that thing everywhere, yeah. So now I'm contouring with concealer. Yes, you can even contour with concealer. And these concealers are good because they have a lot of skincare benefits. So the more you use it, the better your skin looks over time. So I chose a super warm shade because I wanted her to look bronzy around the perimeter of her face. I know Shawty says she likes light and bright, which we love in the center, but like on the outside, a little bit of warmth is nice to kind of counteract it. So that way she doesn't look super pale. How long does it take you to do your makeup?
Half an hour. It used to take me 7 hours.
7?
Yep. No, okay, let me explain. I'm live, dancing a little bit.
Yeah.
Moving the vibe.
Yeah, the vibe. Yeah. Okay, that makes sense. That's how long it takes me to do Rihanna's makeup.
Yeah.
Okay, so now I'm gonna take some here on the nose, the chin. I'm gonna do a little reverse contour. Have you done this before?
No.
Reverse contours when you put the lighter shade under the contour.
I've seen people do that, but I haven't tried it.
Yeah, it's nice because it makes the cheekbones stand out. Okay, so do you buy a lot of Fenty Beauty products? And if you do, how much do you usually spend?
Over like 500.
Oh Oh my
One.
god!
I know, it's because I love makeup. I want to buy the whole story sometimes. What you mean?
What you mean? So now we have a flawless base using just concealer. I'm about to finish the look. Let's go.
Yep, let's do it.
You like blush?
Yep, I love
Okay.
it.
Rihanna does too. When I do Rihanna's blush, she always tells me that it's a distraction from your dark circles. So like when you put blush, people don't notice your dark circles anymore because they're looking at the pretty blush.
Does she like a lot of blush or a little bit?
She likes a lot. A lot.
Me and her are similar. I like a lot too.
Okay, so we call this the double blur technique. When I do Rihanna's makeup, I put foundation powder on top to set it, and it just makes everything look flawless.
I love it.
Now I'm gonna give you a fierce brow.
All right, do it.
I'm gonna take Brow MVP, medium brown. I gotta make her look fire. I gotta make her look like Rihanna Jr. Okay, so now I'm going in with the shadow sticks, and I'm going for a snatched baddie eye look. This one is called Come and Get It. It's Rihanna's favorite color. She actually loves this eyeshadow shape too that I'm doing on you. It's kind of like this cool cat eye shape, and she likes it because she says it snatches her face up. So now I'm using Sip and Sparkle. It's like a shimmer shade. I know you love sparkle, so I'm going in with Diamond Bomb to make a big shine pop. I'm finishing the lip with Icon Velvet in Nudes and Dudes. Have you ever sent anybody any nudes?
What the heck? Hell no. Not trying to get exposed. No.
No, thank you. Mascara, our last step, finishing touches. Here we go. Hella thick. Look down for me.
Oh, damn. I look good. Period.
Period. All right, guys. Thanks for joining me in the makeup room. Shawty, thank you for being here. Thank you for being my model.
Thank you for inviting me. It means a lot to me. I love makeup.
Are you going to use any of these tips at home?
Yep.
And I hope you do
There
too.
you go.
There you go.
If you want your face to be like bright and shiny, use the tips. There you go.
Wear Fenty Beauty.
Yep, Fenty Beauty.